Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the MDX 2024 Liberty Walk RX7 FD3S LB Super Silhouette. Now, like I mentioned, this model is from the Malaysian Diecast Expo, and that does mean it is a special edition, available with a chase car as well. Unfortunately, I just have the regular version, but nonetheless, the model is still very cool, and I was super excited to check this out. As you can see, the box has got all the Liberty Walk logos, all the sponsor logos on the side, which you can see in the light. Obviously, the orange and green colorway to match the car. You can also see the Liberty Walk logo on the undersleeve as well. Obviously, also the writing about the car as well, or the name of the car. And there you can see the model presented very nicely and very vibrant on that white box. The sleeve also coming in that nice green and orange as well to match the car livery, where you can also see the 164, the Liberty Walk logo. Same as the back, you can see the RX7 as well as the Liberty Walk logo. All the warnings and stuff underneath as per standard. You can also see on the base it has the orange and green, also again to match the car and the box to keep that running theme. Also with the Liberty Walk and RX7 logos and inno64 at the back. I think it's very cool that the colours actually contrast the model on the base, the way they've got it. Very cool and super vibrant on display. Now, with the model unboxed, you can see there is some absolutely incredible detail, including on them wheels. You can see the Liberty Walk writing super clear, and honestly it's one of the best decal placements or clarity in decals I have seen in a very long time. As you can see, the paintwork is also absolutely phenomenal. It matches the car in real life and is super vibrant. That green is really deep and that orange is super bright. Now, the wheels are fixed in place, which is pretty standard for inno64 models, and there isn't too much detail on the interior, but you can still see the race harnesses on them bucket seats, which you will see on the close-up shots at the end. But overall, you can just see how good this model is made. The stance is absolutely phenomenal, and you can see the detail on that front wheel is just absolutely astounding. I honestly can't believe how detailed and how clear that writing really is for just a 164 model. Now, I have already unboxed a version of this casting. If you do want to check that out, make sure to check the inno64 playlist on the channel. You can also see any other inno64 models that I have unboxed. But for me personally, this one does just take the cake. You can see the decals are super clear and really easy to read, no matter how small they are. All of them are visible, and the paintwork is super vibrant, like I have already mentioned. The detail also is second to none, and obviously the feel and overall look of the model is absolutely incredible. Like I keep going on about, the detail on the front wheels is absolutely insane, and also goes for the rear wheels as well with that tyre writing. Even down to small things like the curvature of the RX7 rear taillight, which is super hard to get right as it's such a weird design, but inno64 have absolutely smashed it. Now, I can't wait to see what inno64 have planned for this casting in the future. Now, I already know they have the black Coca-Cola and also a white version as well, which I am waiting to get my hands on, but no doubt these models will also be unboxed on the channel, so make sure to drop a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and also turn on those notifications so when those videos do drop you will be the first to watch. But as you can see, this model sat open in a diorama looks absolutely fantastic. Again, the detail is absolutely phenomenal. You can see overall the decals, again, I'll keep going back to them, are super clear and very easy to read. And that front wheel, again, with the Liberty Walk, super easy to read. Absolutely mind-blowing, the detail on such a small model. Obviously 164, very hard to get good detail. You can also see on the interior, it does also have the harnesses on the bucket seats are painted on. They aren't fully like material or anything, but again, not the end of the world when the casting does look like this and does have this much detail elsewhere. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What do you think of this casting? Do you think anything could be improved on? Do you prefer the blue version over the homage to the 787B, obviously with the iconic green and orange livery? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I say, if you have enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on the video and also comment any new models you would like to see on the channel. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching.